Hello, my name is Rick, founder and the CEO of Aiello. Aiello is the hospitality AI service platform. What we are trying to do, our vision is actually we're trying to reshape hotel industry by voice assistant in the AI. And why we want to do that? What is the pain point we see today in hotel industry? Today we see the hotel industry is still behind in the digital trends. For example, hotel is actually missing the digitalization platform for the operation, for their process. So most of the people, when they check into the hotel, they stay the 80% times inside their room. But what happened today is that when guests check into the hotel, they stay in the room. Everything will go into the hotel, no matter get the hotel information, no matter get like water delivered, everything they can only go through very old traditional landform. And then they call the reception and they try to have the single reception person to help the guest to fix all the things. And by this kind of a process and the behavior, so they will always overload into the reception. And second thing is that they don't have any systematic mechanism to be able to record any guest, their preference and their habits. And also they don't have a platform to be able to manage their staff and to understand their staff efficiency. So what we can do, what we are trying to do, so as people all know that the voice interface become very popular, but most of them are using in the smart home. But whatever in the hotel domain specific industry, we see the hotel has tons of service, but there is no any smart system can help him on that. So we try to build a voice device, put it into the room, like guests can be always become the guest and the in-room touch point to be able to interact with. This is what our device looks like, right? So we have a voice enabled and the display enabled device. The device you could using for the asking your hotel facility. You can like asking for the bottled water delivery. You can asking for the towel delivery, or you can asking for the rinse service. And then without going to reception, anything can be going to my AI platform and go through to the staff who manage your room. And second thing is it could be an alarm clock to replace all the traditional things. It can be in the VoIP phone to replace the old traditional telephone. It can also play us in the Bluetooth speaker or Wi-Fi speaker. And another most important thing is that it could be replacing your hotel show. A lot of hotels, they try to sell their restaurant, they try to sell their in-hotel service like a spa, like a gym. And no one today will spend time to reading on that old show. And the hotel will also not always continue update the show. The digitalization platform, Aiello Spa, could be the display to helping hotel to not only reduce their operation costs, and it also increase the operation efficiency and increase their revenue. This is how the device looks like. And then from our UI, you can see we actually spend a lot of time to make the UI, UX, and the voice interface and the voice understanding to align with what the hotel need. So here you can see we have a VoIP function, we have a room clean function, we can have no disrupt and Wi-Fi setting, air condition, IoT control, and also check-in, check-out, or call a taxi, or like the local event or fun, or like a local activity. And then to helping hotel increase their revenue, I think that help them to sell the restaurant, so it's very important. So we actually also help them to make the menu into our display, so their guests can order the room service over the voice or over the touch, which we have multiple combination user interface put into a single device. But another question is how we do that, why we can do better than other voice company like Google, like Amazon, or like the third-party one. So we have our own machine learning team, and we know that to do the natural language understanding, most important is about the scenario. And we put the hotel as our scenario, and we're using our machine learning model to train a script. So that means that every inquiry into my device will be perfect script model for us to increase our machine learning training efficiency. By using this kind of technology, we with so-called machine learning, natural language understanding process, we can understand deeper about the hotel other than others consumer product. So here I want to show the overall picture and function what we can do, right? So we can do like a welcome message, we can do the music streaming, and also facility inquiry. For example, you want to know where is the breakfast, you want to know the time of drink, you want to know the location of the swimming pool. So this is one of the spot you can do that, and you can do the VoIP call with a reception with your friend in a different room, and also the popular function like an IoT control. I'm going to sleep, I'm waking up, all the scenario which can control over voice and my device, and also alarm clock. And we also promote like a local activity and a local service or inside hotel service to increase the revenue and do a revenue share with all the hotel partners. And checking out, checking in, checking out, and also we helping them to maintain the guest happiness and to make sure they can always get a repeat business and get their loyalty membership program up and running with, and not always get through the OTA online booking system to get their margin cut. So this is what we provide over. I think there's a lot more detail, and well, I'm really excited and happy to be able to talk with you face to face. Thanks.